How to hide profile display on Instagram. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. So if you are trying to hide your profile display, first head over to Instagram app and just make sure that you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. So in order to display or remove the profile display or your profile info, you have to have a professional account. So just make sure that you have turned on the professional mode. And as you can see right below my profile, there is a display saying video creator. So if you want to remove it, tap on edit profile and then scroll down. Here you'll find the option that says profile display. So just tap on it. And as you can see here on the display category level, on this level, you're just gonna have to turn it off, and then don't forget to tap on the done icon at the top right. So now the label has been turned off, so if I go back, the video creator option is no longer showing. And that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.